Exclusive visuals coming in. These are of Rhea Chakrabarti entering the Sion Hospital when she came in for her medical test. Exclusive visuals are there on Times Now.
There you go. This is the moment when she entered the hospital in Sion. These are exclusive visuals coming to you from on Times Now, beg your pardon. This is when Rhea was taken in for her medical test, which was just a while ago, not too far ago. We understand that medical test is still currently going on. The crossing of the T's and the dotting of the I's. We should expect Rhea to come out of the hospital any time now. Shouldn't be too long. Let's quickly check in with our guests as well. Rahul Ishwar, before the break, I promised you a rebuttal. Go ahead, Rahul.
Truth is not a matter of popular opinion. Even if 100% of the people believe a lie to be a truth, it doesn't become a truth. And even if 100% of the people believe a truth to be a lie, it doesn't become a lie. That's the reason why we have adopted such a as one of the things. So Rhea of course lied, and Rhea was wrong in the drug case. She should definitely be punished and held accountable. At the same point of time, just because majority of people believe that Rhea is implicit or Sushant is murdered, doesn't make it truth. That's the reason why
but is this about truth versus perception, or is this about claims versus evidence?
Yes, hard fact versus... Yes, go ahead, please.
Hard facts and evidence, and we should wait for those concrete evidence, clinching evidence. Right now, there is nothing in public domain that can either suggest Sushant is murdered or even suggest Rhea is complicit or Rhea is somewhere linked to it. We right now are only theories, some conspiracy theories, some legitimate theories. We should wait for more to emerge so that we can take an informed decision, and CBI and Honorable Supreme Court can take conviction and informed decision on it. Right now,
Swapnil, would you like to respond? What I heard from Rahul was strictly going by the letter of the law. I have no problems with it theoretically. Do you?
No, not really. I don't have any theoretical problems with it. But, to say that we are building up some sort of a perception in the minds of the people is inappropriate, in my opinion, simply because, people have their own brains. They may or may not watch a particular channel, or they may even watch it and they say, oh, look, this is nonsense, we don't believe in this. And, certainly the three agencies which are investigating are not going by what TV channels are portraying or putting it out. They're going by what is there before them. And if they are having the same opinion that you and I are having, and if they're saying that, okay, maybe Rhea is lying as what you said, from the chats, etc., so then they're going by that, and they're building up a case, and eventually they're going to arrest her. That's the same thing that's going to happen with the CBI, and that's the same thing that's going to happen with the Enforcement Directorate. In my opinion, the money laundering case is going to be very difficult for them to prove. So in 50-60 days, if they don't find anything, then maybe they'll pack their bags and go home. But as far as the CBI is concerned, I'm shortly seeing in the next 10 days or so, if all things go well, subject to a lot of other things, that there is no pressure of any sort of whatsoever, then you're definitely going to say please.
To that point, Swapnil, to that point, Swati, it's interesting to note that the sections under which Rhea has been charged by the NCB are quite harsh. They're not, first of all, they're not, it's section 22B, I believe.
20, yes.
22B
right.
Is the charge that should be leveled against her, and that's a very serious charge, carrying, I believe, many years of imprisonment.
More than 10 years, I believe. Yes, here we have it on the big screen.
Yes.
This is the section that you were talking about, imprisonment up to 10 years, if proven, of course, in the court of law.
Now, that, of course, would indicate, and I'll ask Tausif this would indicate the confidence of the NCB as far as their evidence is concerned, their belief in the case they have built against Rhea. These particular charges, if they have been leveled against her, the NCB must believe, going by what we know, that they have a very, very solid case against Rhea.
Yes, agencies must believe that they have a solid case against Rhea, and they need to invoke serious charges to arrest her and to get the custody. Now, I would like to address one comment made by one of the panelists, that perhaps me wanting the media to discuss about economy is me wanting a job. Well, he does not know that CMIE data shows that in this year only about 2 crore jobs have been lost. And there is nothing wrong in giving voice to those 2 crore
Absolutely nothing wrong. Absolutely nothing wrong. We are all concerned about the economy, and we should be worried.
Absolutely.
We should be worried. It's going to affect all of us. But right now, we're discussing the Rhea issue here.
It's as simple as that.
Well, yes, we are discussing Rhea's issue, and we know that the investigation is ongoing. Nothing has been proved. We will keep commenting as the case progresses. But
nothing has been proved. She has been arrested.
In the meantime, no, nothing has been proved. For your time information.
Oh, she has been arrested. She's been taken into custody, and a very serious charge under the NDPS Act has been leveled against her. Section 27A also, remember, there's a fine involved, but the big one, Section 22A, which carries a maximum of up to 20 years in prison. If that's proved,
yes,
clearly the rest is moot.
Right. In fact, I think we can take a look at some more sections coming up.
Yeah.
Sections 8C and 29, which means maximum sentence up to 20 years with fine.
There it is. That's the big one right here. All these charges have been leveled against Rhea. These are very, very serious charges, extremely serious. If they are proven, there's a big if here, if they are proven, then of course, all the rest of the discussions around whether or not this was a media trial, whether or not this is a witch hunt would be moot. But again, I put that caveat, Swati, they have to prove it in court first.
Absolutely. The agencies will have to gather evidence and prove it in the court of law. For the moment, yes, Rhea has been arrested. We're tracking all the developments, taking a short break. Coverage continues on the other side as well.